In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unarchive photos in Google Photos on Android. If you've moved some pictures into the archive section and now want them back in your main photo view, the process is quick and simple. Archiving in Google Photos doesn't delete your images. It just hides them from the main Photos feed, which can be useful for keeping things organized. And when you're ready to bring them back, you can unarchive them in just a few taps. To get started, open the Google Photos app on your Android device. Make sure you're in the correct app, since Google Photos is where archived images are stored and managed. Once the app opens, give it a moment to load your library if needed, especially if you have a large number of photos or a slower internet connection. Next, go to the Collections section. This is where Google Photos groups together different areas of your library, including albums, locked folders, and archived items. After you enter Collections, scroll down until you find Archive, then tap on it. This will open the folder that contains the photos and videos you previously archived. Once you're inside the archive section, look through the items and find the photo or photos you want to restore to your main library view. Select the image you want to unarchive. If you're choosing more than one, take your time and make sure you've selected the correct items before moving on. After selecting the photo, look for the three-dot menu, usually located near the top corner of the screen. Tap those three dots to open more options. In that menu, choose Unarchive. As soon as you tap it, the selected photo will be removed from the archive section and returned to your regular Google Photos library. That's all there is to it. Your photo is still safely in your account the entire time, and unarchiving simply makes it visible again in the main photo stream. A helpful tip to keep in mind is that unarchiving does not create a duplicate. It just moves the photo out of the archive section and back into the standard view. So if you don't see it immediately, you may need to scroll to the original date the photo was taken, since Google Photos usually sorts images by date rather than by when you unarchive them. And that's how to unarchive photos in Google Photos on Android.